In this video guys, I'm gonna show you step by step how I made $125 promoting affiliate links on Pinterest step by step. I will share with you which services I was promoting on Pinterest to earn this commission without investing any money. This is just using free traffic, okay? Let's get started. So for people who are new to Pinterest affiliate marketing and they want to start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing, what you need to do guys, it's really easy. Go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link over here, and you just need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, what you need to do next, come to this page and scroll down like this. Just scroll down and go to community, click over here on affiliates. Okay, it will take you to this page over here, and as you can see, to this affiliate Fiverr affiliate website. Okay, what you need to do next, so let me show you first the commission plan, because they are really paying a lot of money guys for services. So if you click over here on see commission, you will be directly in this page commission plan, as you can see. And as you can see over here, you can earn up to $150 if just one person buy a service from your affiliate link. You can earn up to $150. That's really a lot of money. Okay, if you scroll down, you can see over here Fiverr CPA commission. As you can see, $50 for those services for graphic and design, data science, mobile apps, and so on. Okay, so to join Fiverr affiliate, what you need to do is you just need to click over here on join now like this, and you will be directly in this page over here. As you can see, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate program is super easy and simple. Okay, you just need to put your first name here, your last name, your email address, username, password, and scroll down. You need to choose account type, make it private. Okay, so just make it private. You will answer a few questions. You need to choose your country and you need to choose your language. Then if you have Skype, you can use your Skype here. If you don't have, just click on next and you will answer next few questions, and that's it. It's really easy and simple. It will take just few minutes from your time. Okay, and after you finish, this will be your Fiverr affiliate homepage, and you should have an account like this one. Okay, what you need to do next is you need to go back to Fiverr. Okay, go back to your homepage on Fiverr. Now I'm gonna share with you which service I was promoting on Pinterest to earn commission, to earn $125. Okay, so click on the search for digital business card. Okay, search for digital business card, scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. So always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose sellers who has a lot of reviews, like level 1 seller, level 2 seller. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so make sure to choose good sellers. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one. This one is level 2 seller. He has 5-star, a lot of reviews, and his service starting from $10. Okay, I will click on his service. So just click on his service, you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page like this. What you need to do next is you need to copy his profile link. So just copy his profile link. Okay, and what you will do, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, then click over here on default and dip links. Click over here and put this seller affiliate, this seller profile link here like that. Click over here and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, so what you will do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Okay, let's go to Pinterest. So if you don't have an account on Pinterest yet, go to Google. So let me show you. Just go to Google and search for Pinterest like this. Okay, click on the first link over here. Okay, just click on the first link and you need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is really easy and simple, and make sure to choose business account. Okay, not personal account. You need to open business account on Pinterest. Okay, after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, so click over here on home feed, click on create pin. It will take you to this page. What you need to do next is you need to upload a picture about your service. Okay, so what you will do, you will go back to this seller page, scroll down, and you need to upload this picture to your laptop. Okay, click on his picture, double click on save image. Okay, and I'm gonna name it card, save, like this. Go back to Pinterest, click over here and upload your picture. Okay, this is my picture about my affiliate service. Open, and here you go. Scroll down, you need to put here title, description, and your affiliate link. So let's go to just go back to this seller page and copy his title. Okay, it's really easy and simple. Okay, copy his title, go back to Pinterest, put this title over here, description, go back again to his profile page, scroll down, you should see about this gig. This is his description. Okay, I'm gonna copy this. Okay, let me see. So just copy his description. You are just an affiliate, so you can use his information. That's what I do. I'm gonna put this description here. Scroll down, you need to put here your affiliate link so people can click on this affiliate link and buy this service. So what you will do, go back to your favorite affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here, go back to Pinterest and put your affiliate link here. Okay, this is my affiliate link. Click over here on choose a board. So if you are new, click on create a board. You just need to give it a name and that's it, and you can create as many as you want. I already created a lot. I'm gonna choose this one, favorite affiliate. Scroll down, you need to put here tags and keyword. Okay, keyword that people are using to find this this service on Pinterest. So how you can find keywords, go back to this seller page, scroll down, just keep scrolling down like this, and you should see, okay, you should see over here related tags. Okay, so I'm gonna copy those keywords here and I will go back to Pinterest. I will put those keywords here. I can also use keywords that are here on my title. I will copy those keywords, I can use them. Okay, and I will put those keywords here. Okay, like that. And what you need to do next, click over here on publish, and that's it. Let's see, and here you go. You just created your first favorite affiliate link and you just launch your affiliate service on Pinterest. It's really easy and simple, guys. As you can see, this is my picture that describe my service as an affiliate. This is my title, this is my description, and this is your affiliate link. If people click on this affiliate link, for example like this, they will be directly in this Fiverr profile page. As you can see, if they click over here on continue and they buy this service for $10 or even $31, you will earn commission. Okay, It's really easy and simple. And of course, you need to promote a lot of services. You don't need to promote just one service. You need to promote a lot of services that are related to digital business card. Okay. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you to start Pinterest affiliate marketing. If this tutorial is helpful for you, like this video and leave a comment, and see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in my next video.